Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Varsha Yamar. My USN is 1VE23 CD062. Course code is BCS 302. The subject is DDCO, means Digital Design of Computer Organization. The topic is evolution of digital IC technologies and its naming patterns. Evolution of digital IC technologies and its naming patterns. Introduction to digital IC technologies. Digital integrated circuits are foundational components in modern electronics. They combine multiple functions into a single chip, enhancing performance and reducing size. Understanding their evolution helps in grasping the adv- advertisements in technology and naming conventions. Early developments in digital ICs. The first digital IC emerged in the 90s or 60s, primarily using bipolar technology. These early chips enabled the basic computational functions, paving the way for modern computing. The initial naming conventions were often based on the functionality or logic family, such as TTL. TTL means transistor logic. Shift to CMOS technology. In the 1970s, COMS, complementary metal oxide semiconductor technology, began to dominate. CMOS offered significant power savings and higher integration densities compared to bipolar counterparts. Naming, naming conventions trans, transitioned transitioned to include references to CMOS as seen in the 74HC series, in which indicated high-speed CMOS chips. The rise of programmable logic devices. The 1980s saw the introduction of programmable logic devices such as FPGAs and CPLDs. These devices allowed users to configure logic functions and demand revolutionizing circuit design. Naming pattern for PLDs often included references to their configurability, such as Flex and Altaria. Advancements in technology nodes. The 1990s and 20s marked 2000s marked a transition to smaller technology nodes, enabling more complex designs. The 1990s and 2000s marked a transition to smaller technology nodes, enabling more complex designs. Naming conventions began to incorporate the process technology size like 90 nanometer, 65 nanometer, and so on. Naming conventions began to incorporate the process technology size like 90 nanometer, 65 nanometer, so on. As nodes, strand manufacturers started to empathize the performance matrices and the power efficiency in their product names. As nodes, strand manufacturers started to emphasize the performance metrics and power efficiency in their product names. Integration of mixed signal ICs. The integration of analog and digital functions led to the development of mixed signal ICs in the late 1990s. These ICs are crucially for applications such as data conversation and signal processing. Naming conventions often reflect their mixed capabilities with designations like ADC and DAC. System on chip SoC revolution. The 2000s ushered in the era of the system-on-chip (SoC) designs, integrating the entire systems onto a single chip. SoCs combine the processors, memory, and peripherals, optimizing the performance and power consumption. Naming conventions evolved to highlight the integration, often using terms like system on chip or specific application names. SoCs combine the processors, memory, and peripherals, optimizing performance and power consumption. Naming conventions evolved to highlight the integration, often using terms like system on chip or specific application names. Future threats and naming patterns. As technology advances, trends like 3D stacking and heterogeneous integrations are becoming prominent. Future naming pattern may reflect functionality integration levels and new architectures has such as the AI or keep, keeping abreast of the changes is crucial for engineers as they influence design choices and market competitiveness. Future naming patterns may reflect functionality integration levels and new architectures such as AI or quantum computing. Keeping abreast of these changes is crucial for engineers as they influence design choices and market competitiveness. Thank you, guys.